Yeah, that's fellows. Today, one of our student, Ambuj, he got placed in one company as a software developer, programming training. So, how he got this job? What hard work he did to get this job? How QSpidel helped him to get job? Let us hear everything from Ambuj. Start.
Hello, hi. My name is Ambush Marata and I am selected as a programmer trainee. And here from QSpatter, I got to learn about Java, MySQL, and WebTech, React.js, all those things. For my perspective, I have to come here on 8:30 to 5:30. The whole things are roller coaster ride, like learning from 8:30 to Java, then WebTech, then React.js. All things are very much important for me. Also, the knowledge of the team trainers are very well. They have the deep knowledge about the concepts and the technology. They know their work very well. And I would say you to do presentation daily and just give your 100% and do and achieve your dream.
Congratulations. God bless you.